Can you read my service report request? What is the service request I have given? What is the service request I have given? Read it out.
It takes 15 to 20 minutes. All it available. Whatever data is upon, all it available. 15 to 20 minutes.
Read out service request.
Rap number can you give us?
Contact details. Contact number.
988
988
69
69
300. Yeah. Can you read what is the request? Can you please read?
Token number 56, Amit.
You have submitted for not charging issue, showing battery needs service. So what we have diagnosed is
What about the slow issue?
okay.
Read it.
Device is not powering on. Once we plug in with the chargers, the device is very slow and it shows battery service recommended. So what we have found is
Slow one. Where is the slow one?
just now I read out. It's very slow and it shows battery service recommended. What we have checked and found one of the port is not working. Machine working only when connected to power source. But freezes and stops responding. Unable to run diagnostic at machine freezes. Check internal condition and found battery swollen. Reset the battery and I/O connectors. Still found same issue. Issue found with the battery and I/O board. If the machine is out of warranty, hence need to replace the battery and I/O board under exchange price to check further. Not I/O board and battery are non-refundable part. Post replacement if any other issue observed, further correction will be received.
Then it is not a solution, right? It is not a solution which will make sure that my laptop will start working. Are you telling me that this will make my laptop
This will
working?
resolve the port issue and the battery issue.
No,
That's
the-
the thing. Once we battery and the I/O board is replaced, we will check further.
My laptop is slow,
Yeah.
right? Will it fix that?
See, usually
Will it fix that?
on this machine, sir, 18 and 19, if there is a battery issue, it
No.
freezes.
You didn't tell me that. Did you tell me that when you were taking the device that if the battery issue is there, you will not be able to run diagnosis?
Sir, I was not the one who accepted the machine.
No, he is there. He didn't tell. So I might have not submitted that diagnosis will not be able to run. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
It's not your fault.
Then why I should pay?
From my side, I have already checked and I have
No, whose fault it is? Why I should pay then? I might have not even given you that you will not be able to test it. I might have not given you that devices, right? Then I'm not at fault over here.
understood, but sir,
But it's clear. It has not been told that if you are not able to do or this thing is the issue, you will not be able to do this thing, right? So you have to tell me upfront. Then I should be able to take care of that decision that whether I.
but sir, what is you are asking about the refund? There is a policy.
Policy, you are talking about policy, right? You are stuck in the policy itself that you have not made the customer aware that if this is the issue, we will not be able to run the diagnosis itself.
That's the Apple diagnostic tool which we use, sir. That's unable to run. But manually, whatever.
My manually, sir, manually means you are telling me the same thing which I have told you. But my issue resolution, you are not able to provide me. You are not able to provide me the resolution of the issue. Right?
Resolution I have already from our end.
No, it is not giving me surety that my laptop will start working after doing this. I may put 14,500 rupees, whatever is there. I have no issue over there.
We are also saying that if
And that's what I'm saying. If there is no if, I might have gone to another doctor. I might have gone to somewhere else. If there is a condition over there, I don't want to even spend 2,500 rupees in that laptop. I might have simply thrown it. But you have wasted my money. So that's what I'm saying, because you are not able to give a diagnosis and guarantee that after doing this, things will be solved. You return and refund.
57.
I will check with the management because it's not in my hand that I refund the amount. I need to check with them. If they agree, then we can.
Where is the manager? Call him right now. You just now told, na, you call Apple. You call Apple. You call Apple.
We can.
You just told me that.
Call Apple. There's no.
So you call Apple.
We have to check with our management so that.
Whoever is there, you call me. Just like you directed me, you call Apple. You call your management.
What and then I'll get back to you.
Yeah, you call here.
ठीक है सर.
We start.